Humanity, the root of diversity and the engine of innovation. Part 1. Why the world needs diversity. Many corporations today emphasize diversity in the workplace and society, recognizing its link to innovation and economic growth. Yet, implementation often falls short because we forget the essential truth. Real diversity is rooted in humanity. Too often, companies treat diversity as a checkbox, assembling teams with varied profiles only to produce innovative products. In practice, these teams may still be drawn from similar backgrounds or privileged networks, unconsciously reinforcing existing patterns rather than expanding opportunity. Across many cultures, particularly in Asia, challenges remain. Gender equality is still limited. LGBT community are undervalued, and people with disabilities are denied opportunities. Sustainable economic growth is only possible when no one is left behind. Examples are easy to find. Many countries and companies tend to hire predominantly from their own country or region. When a manager comes from a central region, they often recruit employees from the same area. These practices are not driven by ignorance of diversity's benefits, but the unconscious bias decisions shaped by comfort zone and familiarity. True diversity requires empathy, the ability to feel and value differences. Without humanity at its core, diversity becomes superficial. With humanity, it becomes the foundation of innovation, inclusion, and sustainable progress. I have spoken at various international conferences, and most of them focus primarily on innovation, how diversity can help companies grow and try new projects. Yet, these discussions often remain